What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another episode Apex Vision TV. Today we are headed to FCP Euro Show. It's in the Deep Mesa area. I didn't even know they had a shop out here, but that's where we headed. Going for a ride in this bad boy. Check this out. It is for sale if you guys are interested in it, but it's pretty slick. But this kind of the crazy part. Obviously it looked good with the tent, but right hand drive. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully there should be some good stuff here. So stay tuned for that. See you guys there. So we are at the FCP Euro Show. Super nice 3 Series. Clean one. Look like there's a gang of people here. This is a weird experience. But stay tuned. Should be some heat. Man, so this mug is packed to the T. Look at this, bro. All caps. Packed. Got the front. Oh shit, I think this is a 2RS, bro. Thought it was a 2RS. But 997, 991. Man. Got some work right here. For a really long time, 997. Well, Turbo S is my dream car. 911 Turbo, period. I done actually switched up recently. There's a lot of all-wheel drive quick cars. There aren't a lot of GT3s and level of experience in the world. So GT3 standard 6-speed is like my new dream 911. But it's just good to see that evolution. Avant. And you're gonna see all the Euro stuff here. I wonder if Josh is gonna his old car is gonna be here. FCP Euro. This shit is sick though. This shit is sick. Drift car here. I have a feeling we're gonna have a real wide range of cars. Look at the tires on this thing, man. Stripped out, no back seat. Man, seen this car many times, still hasn't gotten old. Nice purple. See, blow off valve. Damn. Oh, I know this guy. Oh, he switched it up. Oh, switched it up.
That's huge.
This is sick. So is this. Crazy wing on her. Yeah. Crazy. This joint is wild. I remember I was gonna go for a ride along with them. Ended up having some issues. Look at this. V-band, big V8, steering angle, radiator in the back. This is crazy. Nah, you couldn't tell me wasn't gonna get a B7. Big turbo too.
Keep in mind the car is off. It's been sitting there for 3 days.
Lord Warner.
They touch it to see the spot.
Hey, what's up? Last 2 shows I've been to have hockey been disappointing. I went to Arizona Auto Show. I went to show by the house, and it was like, okay, this is crazy. I'm about to show you guys one of the things that's at the show. Check this bad boy out.
Oh man,
We got a DTM 190E Evo. Got the wing sticker that looks the part. No back seat. Look at the shifter on it. It's all the way up right there. This is catch can, intake, big intercooler. Big intercooler. Turbo on it too.
big old intercooler.
Yeah, this is crazy. Small turbo. Don't need nothing too big. It's a track car through and through. Damn, this shit is crazy. So evidently, I thought it was the original motor or an older motor.
It's a turbocharged inline 4-cylinder produced by Benz since 2013. It's the same engine that comes in like the A45, the
CLA?
CLA 45.
Wow, so that makes this even better.
That's crazy.
That's crazy though, because you can kind of see, it almost looks OEM, because I mean, look how, well, let me put the camera in the right spot, David. But you can see how well the headers are heat wrapped. Yeah, this is just really well done. Honestly, it's crazy. Favorite driving car at the show. Might not be my favorite, we'll see. But if I got one lap, this would be it. Check this one out. 5.0, big turbo. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is an FC. Yeah, this might be an FB, dog. You're fine, go ahead. This must be sweet.
I'm gonna go talk to her.
Man, so we're just talking to a guy at Mile, which I never heard of the brand, I'll be honest. But evidently he took a W11, I think, no, a W210. Took it to the Dakar Rally. He's from Germany. Been living in California 2 years, and they actually finished it too. They just he was telling us, man, he was like the transmission blew, but he still had force, so he would just clutch dump and just stay wide open throttle. But it's honestly, this is one of the best shows I've been to. Like, I'm really surprised. Speaking of off-road stuff, we got a Cayman right here, full-on rally build. This is sick, man. Honestly, this is a great show. I am very surprised. Got the tire rack up top. All these years, I've kind of accepted a lot of the same stuff is gonna be at shows, but nice to go to one and be surprised by it. So, yeah, man, this is a good time for sure. I guess they have one in April. I won't be missing that one. Check this bad boy out. Got the racer window, vents, rally lights. It's actually cool. They got a ton of brands here. Shit is sick, man. Clean, bro. Yeah, that's clean, dog.
Yeah, I mean, W210's not bulletproof, man.
Yeah, I gotta
Check out the wheels on this one. Crazy. Car is so simple with those wheels. M235i. I used to want one of these so bad. Simple as cleanest, way I see it. Got the bronze wheels. Orange E92 right next to it. That's some clean stuff. E46. Turbo. Clean. Carbon on the diffuser. Clean, boy.
Question that and fucking
Big turbo B58. Ceramic coated.
Go ahead.
Wrapped really well. But B58s, oh, look at the tire. Look at the tire. Those B58s get down, man. Definitely a believer. 1JZ.
Inline 6 with the turbo on it, right?
Yeah. Tire, a little bit of a giveaway. It's the same car. It's the same one that was in front of us. Yeah. It got the classic plate on it.
Oh, okay.
Catch can.
Crazy for the old car.
Got the Yamaha right there. This shit is sick. And you can see the catch can, vent to atmosphere, braided lines. Wonder what turbo he has on it. Downpipe, turbo smart, V-band. This one's sweet. You hear it? Probably a G. It. Come sweet. It's the Dream Whip. It's the Dream Whip right here, boy. 6-speed. 991.2. GT3. What? Yeah, that's the one right here. This is the one. Shit. You can tell it's a 0.2 because of the light right there. The original 991s, they have like a bigger brake light on them.
That's some creative shit right
That's
there.
some creative.
What is this?
This is a Pontiac Fiero.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
right. I ain't know anything in the front.
Yeah.
I threw out like 9 different car guesses before I landed on
Yeah, really. Remember when you got this deal on the road?
This month is clean.
Remember?
Zoom.
I don't know how you
4.9 V8. That's crazy. This got a V8 swap in there too.
Oh, I love this car.
That's crazy. This is crazy. A lot of people running Pulsar turbos now.
go for it. I want to hear you leave. Maybe it'll go well.
One of the best sounding NA cars right here. Gated shifter. I always laugh when I see the 355s because me and my friend, check this out. Me and my friend used to do 355 versus Esprit twin turbo.
Like a
Dom.
720S is faster than everything on the street.
Dom.
Yeah. It's faster than everything else.
Pro charge fucking 3RS. Titanium exhaust
I
too.
guess you don't get no lag on the back, huh? Because the engine's in the back.
I don't know. I think that's a supercharger though.
Oh, like a pro charger type?
Yeah, I think it's a pro charger. This shit is crazy. It's probably the fastest thing here, to be honest.
I'd say it probably is.
The best modern BMW, the best looking, the lightest, the most fun. N55, don't care. Beautiful car. Do not care. This thing's clean. This mug's clean, boy. Obviously, the BMW gang done grew on me between Josh and Matt. And just realizing you take care of your maintenance, they'll work for you. I will argue until I'm blue in the face. Stock power driving experience, that's the one I will get, bro. I'll argue that shit till I'm blue in the face. But honestly, man, hell of a show. Like I said, some real cool stuff up here. Toyota Altezza, right hand. Honestly, a great show. Like I said, I will definitely be back. It's a Euro show. And yeah, man, stay tuned for more. Working on getting a sim racing chassis. Made that business decision. I'm only gonna drive at so high of a level while I got all this pedal flex. And I mean, no knock against the RS6. That was meant for a a Logitech G29. It wasn't meant for what I have. So time to move on. I'm gonna check out this EFR turbo. Oh yeah, that's nice. Got Quattro on it. Nice blow off valve. Heat protection. That's sweet. A little extra cooler right here. This mug is sweet, man. Brom seats. Yeah, man, this mug is sweet. Anyways, stay tuned for more. Like I said, moving on from the chassis. I really want to get back into rotating my racing gear more often. But I gotta have a chassis, man. Right now, I step on the brake pedal, run away from me. Turn even the wheel itself, like, yeah. So I sold that. May as well get a new chair too. But anyway, so even if you're not into like a huge horsepower guy, there's just some clean stuff here, man. Look how clean that thing is. Dog, this shit is clean. Yo, this shit is clean, man. 30 E30. Dom getting.
I'll see you for a little bit. I've been looking at this thing on Marketplace for so long, man.
There she go. Honestly, man, I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. I'll probably throw in some clips from the other 2 shows I went to, but yeah, this is a must go to if you're into the Euro scene. Huge show, a lot of vendors. There's coffee machines and food, free food and drinks, everything, man. Talked to a guy that drove in that car. Talked to a lot of manufacturers at the show. Honestly, man, like I said, if you're a Euro fan, this is a must-see show. But I'm gonna go ahead and close it out here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment your favorite car at the show. It's probably that 190E with the A45 swap for me. But we're gonna go ahead and end it here. Stay tuned for more. Apex out.